Could a single keyboard truly bridge the gap between intense competitive gaming and quiet, efficient office work, all while being incredibly durable and affordable? This is the promise of the English Competitive 87-key mechanical keyboard, and it's quite a claim. Right out of the gate, what immediately stands out is its build. This isn't your average, flimsy, plastic keyboard. We're talking about a thin metal panel structure here, which gives it a substantial, premium feel and promises a much longer lifespan than many of its competitors. Plus, it's designed to be dustproof, a huge bonus for anyone who's ever had to battle crumbs or desk debris. Now, let's talk about the typing experience. It features comfortable, low-profile chisel buttons and a standard full-size layout, which means you're getting that familiar, efficient typing feel without a steep learning curve. But here's where it gets really interesting for a mechanical keyboard. It boasts silent noise reduction technology. Yes, you heard that right. It significantly cuts down on the typical clicky-clack, making it a fantastic option for shared office spaces or late-night gaming sessions where you don't want to disturb anyone. And for those competitive moments, it supports simultaneous character presses, ensuring every command registers perfectly. This keyboard isn't just for one type of user. It's a true hybrid, designed for both game and office environments. Its 87-key layout strikes a great balance between compactness and full functionality. Compatibility is also a non-issue. It works seamlessly across all major operating systems, whether you're on a desktop, laptop, or even a tablet. Now for the practical side, this is an affordable keyboard. It's important to manage expectations here. You won't find advanced, sprint functions or dedicated macro keys that some high-end gaming keyboards offer. But for everyday needs, for solid performance in both work and play, it absolutely delivers. So, if you're looking for a real mechanical keyboard that offers impressive durability, a surprisingly quiet typing experience, and reliable performance for both your daily grind and your gaming escapades, all without breaking the bank, this English Competitive 87-key mechanical keyboard is an incredibly compelling option. It's a no-frills workhorse that simply gets the job done and does it well.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.